Gange Bampita Kano Emmanuel Mozi. I'm the 1 Division Infantry Administrative Officer. So today we have a ceremony to close off the planting of trees that were given to us by Fair Venture Worldwide. 1 Division is determined to make our environment green. So we are partnered with them and other organizations or other stakeholders. So my encouragement is to all the parents to encourage the children to grow trees. At least if a child plants a tree, it will remain as a memento and it will encourage also the rest to do the same. So we are here today with our stakeholders and we anticipate to grow more than 10,000 trees within the Kachiri Barracks so that we make our environment green. Thank you so much.
My name is Charles Kabona, UPDF 1st Infantry Division spokesperson. This morning we are blessed to receive a team from Fair Ventures Worldwide which brought different species of trees to 1st Infantry Division. I'd like to extend our sincere thanks to the organization for having recognized the importance of protecting the environment. This is not the first organization to give us trees. Some time back, we were given trees by 1 million trees organization, which we planted around 1st Division. And some time back, we also received trees from Wakiso District Forest Authority. Therefore, 1st Division, first and foremost, we have a fertile chunk of land. That's number 1. And we have soldiers. We have good administration. And the UPDF as an institution is committed to ensure that protects the environment. UPDF has been involved in very many ways of ensuring Uganda's environment is protected. When it comes to water bodies, we have soldiers who are in charge for water bodies. The marine units are there. When it comes to forestry, we also have UPDF who are attached to forestry to ensure that the trees are not cut. And when it comes to wetlands, our soldiers they are also there working closely with NEMA. This is a clear manifestation that UPDF as an institution knows the importance of trees and environment. They have given us different types of trees. Trees are very important because they can give us timber, that's number 1. Trees can also be a source of fruits. Trees can also be a source of income. They also can give us, we can sell some trees and get some money. Trees are also very important when it comes to rain formation. Trees also play a very big part as far as curbing and averting global warming is concerned. When you plant trees, when you have forests, that means that greenhouse gases that normally move up the skies and destroy the ozone layer. And the moment the ozone layer is destroyed, that means it will have what we call global warming. There will be an increased heat on the Earth's surface. This heat will automatically kill the livings, like human beings can be affected, and even plants can be affected. Even water bodies can also dry. And that one has a trickle-down effect. The moment we have global warming. Some months ago, you could have heard about people complaining about the increased temperatures. And we feel we are responsible. Therefore, we are so grateful to see that this organization came out and also thought about 1st Division. These trees have been planted. And we shall go an extra mile and make sure that these trees are catered for and they grow. And when they come back in the future, they will see the trees they have given us, they have grown. And we also call upon other organizations which are concerned about the environment to ensure they also give us more trees and also come and sensitize us, talk with us on issues concerning environment. Because the moment you don't protect the environment, in the long run, you are a victim. Therefore, we are so grateful, and this is their second home. They can also come in the future and see. For us as an institution, as UPDF, we have discipline. Because when you plant something, you must go an extra mile and ensure it's looked after. We have discipline, because discipline, it is one of the values of the army world over. Therefore, we are sure these trees will be looked after. We have the department in charge for environment in the army. We have good administration. Therefore, we shall not let them down. Because the moment we let them down, we shall also have let ourselves down. Because we all need trees. I thank you very much.
Okay, erinnya lyange nze Patience Namara, nkulira kitongole kya Fair Ventures Worldwide wano mu Uganda. Kino kitongole kyaffe kikola mu nsi yonna. Tulina headquarters zaffe Germany, naye nga wano mu Uganda tunawo tulinawo ekitebe. Kakati okusimba emiti wano mu barracks y'e Kakiri si gwe gusoose okusimba emiti. Mu Uganda tubaddemu okuva 2018 ate nga kati okuva bwe twatandika twakasimbako emiti egisuuka mu kakadde 1.5 now almost. So wano ekitulese wano ku barracks y'e Kakiri ogambye nti tusimba ne ba UPDF bokka nedda ssebo, tusimba ne muntu wa bulijjo, era wano gwe gusoose okusimba n'amagye, naye nga tuli eyo mu byalo, tuli e Kasese, tuli Kabarole, tuli e Tororo, Kapuchorwa, tuli mu districts 16 mu Uganda gye wetukolera nga tusimba miti ne abantu baffe ababulijjo, abalimi ababulijjo, era mu nnimiro zaffe nga tweyambisa emiti gyaffe gyenasangwa, sigwe mugiyita gyenasangwa, indigenous species nga muvule, nga mahogane, nga misizi, emiti ng'egyo. Naye ate tetukoma ku miti ng'egyo gyokka, tusimba n'emiti egy'ebibala ng'emicungwa n'emiyembe, ffene n'ebirala. Wano ku barracks y'e Kakiri leero tusimbye emiti 1,625 nga kwegyo 305 kya bibala ebyenjawulo, nga tulowooza nti kana akabira emiti egy'ebibala abaana b'abaserukale nanyini abaserukale basobola ogikozesa okulyamu ebibala, ate n'egino egy'embaawo eminene gye tubawadde, egyo gibeerawo ne gikuuma obutonde kubanga girwawo okukula, ate nga omuti wegukoma okukula wegukoma okujja bukyafu mu bbanga, mu atmosphere, nga kituyambako okukendeeza okwokya okubaddewo. Tumanyi nti emiti engeri ffe tusaamu omuka gwe bayita oxygen, ate emiti gyo gisaamu giyisa kye tuyita carbon dioxide, ate eyo carbon dioxide ekyasinze okukosa obutonde n'okuleetako ebbugumu, kubanga erina kyeyonoona mu bbanga ne kireetera ensi okubeera ng'eyokya nnyo okusinga bwe yandibadde. Kati okubeera nga tusimba miti kituyamba okukendeeza oyo carbon dioxide mu bbanga, ne tukendeeza ekyo bwekendeera mu bbanga eba ekendeeza okwokya nereetako at least obunyogovu. Kati bwe twetaba mu kintu kino ekyokusimba emiti, abantu bangi ne beetabamu mu kintu kino ekyokusimba emiti, kijja tuyamba okukendeeza simanyi kye bayita mu Luganda, but effects of climate change, oba ndowooza mukiyita okusaako obutonde bw'ensi. Kiyamba mu kusaako obutonde bw'ensi mu mbeera ennungi etatukoseza ng'abantu.